Stop letting big banks hunt your stop loss. Look at this fake out right here. Okay, so now here the gold faked most of the traders and it moved in the expected direction. But so just know most traders, they place their stop losses right above the obvious swing highs or below the swing low. That is a trap. There was of course a lower high right here. This is a resistance level or a lower high. Now most of the traders, when they are entering, they put the stop losses right above this because it is a resistance zone. Now traders, they put the stop losses right above this resistance zone, right? And you can see that immediately after that, the market actually it sold massively, but after taking out most of the traders that actually sold right here. Okay, most of them, they sold and they put their stop losses just above there and they have been taken out and the market moved in the direction, right? The big institutions need your stop losses to fill their huge orders. To fix this, we wait for the fake out to happen first. We shall first wait for the fake out to happen. This is what I mean. So now right here, we shall just wait for this candle. You see this this bullish candle, it first faked out our early sellers right here that sold from here and they faked them out. Now after faking out those early sellers, now we shall enter immediately after that, right? TOTP anywhere, of course the market will reach there because now the market has been as the early sellers, they have been faked out. Okay, that's why after that the market actually moved in the very good direction as anticipated, right? Now this was a buying setup, guys, right? Because now the market was selling and it left a support level right here. Now as they were waiting for the market to come to the support level, and most of them, they entered and they have put their stop loss just below this. Okay, and see how the market actually behaved here. So now the market came and took out these early buyers, right? So now we have to wait for the sweep of liquidity. We wait for the market first take out the early buyers before we enter the market. So now here you would see that if you waited at least for the market first take out these early buyers right here. Now you can see this fake out. You can see this fake out. The market has swept this and it closed above our zone, right? That means that is the waiting that I mean. We shall wait for it to first take out all these. Now here you will be confident for you to enter the market and put a stop loss just below this fake out candle, right? Because now when you put it below that fake out candle, there are more chances of the market not coming back, right? You can see that the market just moved after all that. So stop being the liquidity. Start trading with the liquidity, okay? So if this video helped you understand market manipulation better, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to Jim FX.